Alright guys, girls, welcome to another episode of Astral Auto Repairs. What's Sippy looking at?
Looking at you, Mike.
Can you dig it? Alright guys, check it out. Behind me, I got a 2007 Nissan Altima, and the customer's complaint is the TPMS sensor light is on. You know, low tire pressure. That light is on, so we're gonna find out what's going on. Now you already know what's going on because you see the thumbnail, but at this point we don't know. All right, coming up on Astral Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, let's verify the complaint. Now a lot of you guys know this car already, and we should do a walk around and let you know how it came out, because this car has been sold. This is the customer's now. Let's start the car up.
But why is there an air freshener down there?
What the heck you asking me for?
Okay.
Alright, there's...
Does that bee smell?
Yeah. There's the light right there. Flashing. Yeah, no. I thought it just came right on. I don't think it's flashing for. So, guys, now, usually... This might be the first video y'all see us hook up. No, to actually hook up the Autel. No, I'm gonna save it for later. I'm gonna show you flavor for later. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. We hooked up the MK, the Autel MK908, and also this has a VCI right here where I can interface, hook it up to the diagnostic connector, and it's wireless. But we're sitting in the car because of the lighting. So what we're gonna do is let's put this on. Service TPMS. Let's put the key on. Okay. History, because we did check this car out before. Oh well, maybe we didn't. Dang, what the heck? Okay, so let's go down to, let's go to Nissan. I know we checked this car for the check engine light on before, right? Huh. Diagnostics, BCM, 227. Like, then how do you know which one it is? Because I'm like that. Codes. Okay. Wow. We got no data from the front left, no data from the front right, no data from the rear left, and battery voltage low from the right rear. Now, this is where another machine comes into place. This is as far as this machine can go as far as what am I looking for? To actually find let me back that up, guys. Let me back that up a little bit. Because how can I explain this? Alright. A lot of times a program like Mitchell On Demand or All Data will tell you that when you rotate the tires, it doesn't matter. The computer's going to pick it up and it's going to switch it around to where it's supposed to be. It's going to follow it. That is completely false on a lot of vehicles. So even though this says the front left, no data, it might be wrong. They might have rotated their tires so the right rear was switched over to the front left, and we might be. You see what I'm saying? Am I explaining that right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's completely wrong. Do not believe that, because that will cause you to misdiagnose a vehicle. You need to read from the sensors at the wheel at themselves, unless it ain't going to read like probably one of those, but this one will. So now we bring out another Autel model to show you that. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, here we go. This is the machine you're going to need also. We turn it around. We got the Autel TS1708. And just, Autel is bad. Autel actually named it after Timmy and Sylvia. Yeah, buddy, for Autel. What the 408? That's cool. Sylvia up there looking like, that's cute. See, that's messed up, because if she saw that in the movie, she's like, oh, that was so romantic.
No, I wouldn't.
Yes, she would.
No, I wouldn't.
Yes, she would. All right, guys, this thing is cool. Again, guys, subscribe to our other channel where we go into detail of what this machine can do. But this video, I ain't gonna sit here and do that. Now, guys, check it out. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna go into TPMS. No. Nissan. We got the Altima sedan. And this machine tells you this is going to cover from 1 of 2006 to 12 of 2012. That's a big range. And it tells you the hertz these sensors operate on, 315 hertz. So we got that. Now what we're going to do, guys, is go out there to each wheel, and we're going to scan a single sensor. So we're going to put this up against the wheel, hit Y for trigger, and it's going to read the information off that sensor. That's cool, without even doing anything. So now, according to this, we should read on the right rear. Now, we never did any, we never rotated the tires on this car or anything, but we don't know if anybody else did. We don't know anything. So we need to verify that this is what it is. All right, so let's go outside and check each wheel. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're going to start off with the front left wheel. And that's all I have to do is put the... now, Autel does have a bigger version where you can hook it up and bring the whole tablet out here and go up here. I wasn't spending that kind of money. You crazy. You lost your mind. All right, so what we're going to do that's all you got to do is put this up against the wheel where the tire valve is. Hit Y.
I don't really have to even be that close. I mean,
Excuse
you can put
me.
it that close. I'm
what
just
the
saying.
heck? She going to tell me my job.
Oh, Lord.
Yo, you better keep with the camera. Hey, overstepping your grounds.
You keep on.
You keep on. You keep on rolling.
You keep on rolling.
All right. It should have read by now. So this one ain't reading nothing.
Well, it'll tell you. No data or something.
Can I? Okay, fine.
I'm just saying.
God, we're going to sit here and waste time on a video. Sitting here.
See?
Trigger failed. Sylvia should have been doing this. What the heck am I doing this for if she knows this machine better than me? All right, so that's trigger failed. Since we're on this side, let's go over here to the left rear. Gonna put this up against the wheel. Sylvia said don't have to put it close, right? How about back here?
No, you can put it wherever you want to put it.
All right.
I'm just saying, for video purposes.
So that means so far, well, I mean, we only did one wheel, but so far the MK908 is the computer ECM is reading correctly. This is taking too long. So can I cancel this now? Now you happy? Oh man, you want to see failed? Okay, fine. Trigger failed. All right. Let's go over here to the front right. Can I stop now? Man. The things I do for love. What? All right, trigger failed. All right, so far the computer has called it. Now back here. So if the computer's right, hopefully we can read this one because this one said the battery in the sensor was low. So let's okay, I'll bring it up for you. Here you go, CV.
Egg nabbit.
Okay, guys, we did read it.
That says voltage okay. It doesn't say low.
Well, That ain't my problem. It is what it is. All right. Also, what's very important, guys, is that ID number right there. We're gonna need that because we got it when we activate the new sensors. Tim, what do you mean activate the new sensors? We're gonna show you what I'm talking about. All right. So what we're
But
gonna.
you don't need that ID number.
No, not for this one, but for the new ones. And we're gonna. Don't you?
Okay, but you said we're gonna need that.
The number, the
You
ID.
should specify. Once we change the sensor,
God,
the new
I'm
ID
gonna.
number is what we're going to need.
You know. You want a Snicker?
I'll give you a Snicker.
all right, guys. So okay, so we got 3 sensors that's bad. This one's reading on the computer's reading low voltage. So you know what? We ain't gonna take a chance. We're gonna order 4 new sensors and have them put on. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, we got our brand new sensors here. All 4 of them. And this is aftermarket. You don't have to go get Nissan or the manufacturer. All of them cost us $50. What? Now $50 for all of them, not each, but check it out. Also, guys, again, I'm not gonna go too much into this machine. You see this little slot right here? Autel have they call MX sensors, and what they do, and they have different megahertz. The 315, and then the other one I think it was 415 or something, whatever it was, 468. I don't know what it was. And what you can do, they're programmable sensors. And this is cool, guys. Like, but it doesn't work if the sensor is not reading at the wheel. All right, so let's say this is a programmable sensor. What I would do is take this to one of the wheels, put it up there. I'll get the ID number and all. Okay, pick my new sensor, put it in there, and then program that sensor to match that ID. So in that way, you don't have to hook up a scanner or anything afterwards and reprogram the new sensors to accept the accept those sensors.
But that thing is just a holder, right? It's not like.
No, this is you can, but they tell you to put it there when they program it though. I don't know. Now so guys, now check this out. Now we're going. I shouldn't have shut this off. Well, it cuts off anyway. Let's see. Nissan, that. Okay, we're gonna scan a single sensor. Now, when you do this, you gotta make sure the other ones are away. Okay, we're gonna scan this sensor.
You have to hit Y.
Bam, just like that. ID number, the pressure, 0 psi. Of course, it's 0 psi because it's now hooked up. Everything is good. Now, what we're going to do now, guys, is go down to Jenkins Service Center because we don't have a time machine. And Jenkins Service Center is pretty cool. They look at it's cool out here because I get along with a lot of the repair shop owners. And we're going to drop this car off and have them put the sensors in all 4 wheels. Doesn't matter which one, where they put it, I don't care. We're going to program it together when it gets back. All right? We'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Well, not back with this. Not back with the Timmy Sylvia 408. That's the new name of this machine. Timmy Sylvia 408. TNS 408. That's when you get one, that's what you name it. Right, Sylvie?
But it doesn't have and.
And pretend it's there. All right, guys, we got the Nissan back. You got a little disappointment, guys. I told you I get along with Wayne. That's the one at Jenkins Automotive Center. Get along very well. So when I dropped the car off...
That's the one?
Well, I don't know. Well, so I said, Wayne said, you want us to program it? And I said, no, Wayne, because we're going to do a video on it. So I think it's his son or nephew that works down there. I know him as well, too. Good guy. He saw on the receipt it was our car. He went and programmed it. So I'm like, what? He didn't charge us for it. They just programmed it. That's cool, no? Everything is good. So now we're going to have to go through this like he didn't do it. But they did install the wheels, so we're going to check each wheel. So what we're going to do is go into the TPMS again. Yeah, go back to the Nissan. And what we're going to do, guys, is scan all sensors. All right? Left, right. Oh, you supposed to have corrected me.
Left front. Where'd you get the R from?
I was just telling her to see if you were paying attention. Shit means she ain't paying attention. All right.
True.
So let's go down to the left front wheel. You ready, Sivvy?
Yes.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I'm just pressing the wrong button.
We have to press.
Okay, left front is done. Now we're going to go to the right front sensor. Let me know when you're ready.
You ready?
Okay, let's trigger this. Wait a minute.
Why is that taking so long?
Okay, maybe I wasn't close enough or something. Sylvia said you don't have to be that close, but I guess I do.
Oh, Lordy.
All right, next is the right rear sensor. This time I'll be close, Sylvia.
Okay, Timothy.
Yeah, buddy. Okay, next is the last one, the left rear. Okay.
What? Okay. Got it.
Okay, all sensors are triggered. You can check the status. Sensor status, let's go here. There's our ID and all this. Let's take this information inside the car and go on to our Autel MK908. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we got everything hooked up. Let's go into Nissan. Let's check this out. Alright, we're going to go into, let's go to Hot Functions. 227. Okay, now what we're gonna do now is we're gonna, now if I want to register it, get these. Here's our remember, here's our IDs right here, all these. Now all through right now we're gonna just go into the read it. The numbers we get should match up with those.
I don't see anything.
Okay, left front, front right, right rear. Okay, good. As you can see, over here in this line, it's in the same exact order as the one over here. Let me know you got that.
Okay.
Because then I'm going to go over here to get it closer to those numbers. And you can see each number corresponds to the tire exactly. This thing was definitely programmed correctly. Now, again, guys, I didn't want him to do that, because if he didn't do that, what I would have had to do is I would have to go in here and register them myself. Okay. And right now, if I'll get right into this point right here, and then I hit start. And if you touch OK, all current IDs will be cleared. And then I'm going to need to go out there and get these numbers again, like I did, and then program them into here. So that's already done. So we ain't going to be able to do it. But hopefully on the next video, we can do that. But it's a very simple process. All right, so we escape. So everything is good with this now. Right, Sivvy?
Yep.
All right, guys. We'll be right back.
Alright, so we hope you enjoyed this video on this 2007 Nissan Altima. And if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@AstralAutoRepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.